The groundbreaking started on February 9, 2010, because we want to prepare that for the 90th birthday of your lolo. I love the people of Andak. I love my family, of course, to know Christ. And for that reason, it became a burden in my heart. And I shared it to Ninong, my husband. And he said, oh yeah, why can't we just pray about it? Eventually, I saw the provisions of the Lord. It is improving. It's painted already with roof. Well, maybe 70%. Still need the windows and the tiles for the flooring. The seats itself, we are using a throw pillow right now.
Okay.
And actually, we are running out of throw pillows now because I only prepared 100. The attendees every Sunday is 120, more or less.